We got Art Van Grow. It's Amanda 60-second van tour. Let's see.
Let's do it.
60 seconds. Oh wow, look. Oh my gosh. This is so nice.
Drawer. Stove. Sunroof. Deck.
How long have you lived in it?
In this one, 6 months. Overall, 10 months on the road.
What's the name of it?
Art Van Grow. Oh, this is Crystal 2.0.
Crystal 2.0. Look at the trippy, cool art.
I wonder.
What else? What else? What about the back?
I make token tea mugs. They're available on my website.
Oh yeah, you gotta check out her mugs. Where are these? Let's see a mug.
I don't have any in here.
There's none in here. We'll link you to the site on the. Go check it out.
What is it?
There'll be a website that pops up right now.
Bogan Bus built
cool.
this van.
There's 15 more seconds.
Bogan Bus did it.
That guy over there. Woo! He did the whole thing. Oh man, good job. What else do you have to tell the people? There's like 4 more seconds.
Go follow my channel on YouTube and Instagram.
Oh yeah,
Art
check
Van
her out.
Grow.
Yeah, check her out. And we need a quick Vanning Ain't No Joke. A shout out.
Vanning Ain't No Joke.